Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will show you a shortcut to save your time while debugging issues on ServiceNow. So many times we face issues where we have to debug that particular thing happened, why, what was the root cause analysis. We have to debug various issues. So for that, we mostly go to log table, right? But the log table is a huge table and with a lot of records and a lot of transactions taking every second. So it takes a lot of time in loading and it's about time. So if we go via list, then definitely it will load and it will take time. It's my PDI, so it's quick here, but on instances, it takes a lot of time. So a quick shortcut for this. So what we can do is we can do this log dot filter. Okay. So it will not load the whole table. We just have filters, and which we obviously we require it. And here we can like give filters created on today or maybe last 15 minutes, anything related to the issue, and we can run that. Okay. So by this we can save that the time it load takes a lot of time in loading. So we can skip that time. So this was a quick short video just to save our time. Thank you.